Hi everyone, it's your girl Sally from Makartt. Today I'm really excited because if you guys don't know this, we recently launched a subscription box program called Your Nail Lab. There's two versions of it. There's a regular box, which is $25 per month, and then there's a $35 per month, which is the Lux Box, and it includes so many more items. And so I wanted to come on here today and do a little preview on exactly what comes in the box for this month. And I've got my box right here. I hope you guys are excited to see me unbox all of this product. This is actually going to be my first time seeing these items because this month I was actually not the one to curate them. Somebody else on my team did. So I'm basically getting a preview as well along with you guys. So I hope you're excited. So the first thing I have to say is I love the outer packaging of this box. Is this not cute or what? I feel like it's like sending a little present to yourself every single month, and people like me who I'm now obsessed with my nails, I gotta buy myself a present every single month now. And it's only $25, so why wouldn't I? By the way, it says "Hey Babe" on the front of the box, which is so cute. And when you open the box, ooh, that's a lot of stuff. Okay, so I'm actually going to show you guys exactly what is in the regular box this month, and then after that I will show you exactly what's also included in our Lux Box, because our Lux Box this month is crazy. We have so many items in there and it's worth over $100, so I'm really excited to show you guys that as well. So in the regular box this month, you get a nail stand. I love, love, love these. These are my go-tos for creating press-ons. I'm a big fan of these. And ooh, okay, I have to show you guys this, but you know how usually like the nail stand is kind of boring? Well, this one, oh, that's so cute. It's hollow. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. So yeah, you get these nail stands, and you do get like 5 of those little stands that you can put your press-ons on. And then what else do we get? Ooh, we get a bunch of glitters, you guys. These are so fun. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. Okay, these are so fun. Look at all of this stuff. I'm so excited to try these out. I think the one that I'm most excited about, it's either this one, which is like an iridescent pink, or this one, which is more like an iridescent silver purplish one. I'm really excited for these. Oh, I'm so excited for these. Okay, so you get 6 different pots of glitters. So lots and lots of glitters to work with. And then you also do get a glow-in-the-dark poly gel. So this one here is called Glow Yellow. This is the one that you guys actually saw in our reels on Instagram. So I'm actually really excited to try this out myself. I love glow-in-the-dark nails. And since it's Halloween, why wouldn't I? And then the other thing you also do get in the regular box this month is a duet, and it comes with 2 gel polishes. I'm kind of excited to see what the colors look like. So the first one is called Tailored Turquoise. It's like a blue. Ooh, this is so fun. Okay, I'm feeling it. So it's like starry jelly blue glitter. This is really fun. And then the other one you also get is bronzer. Okay, let me show you guys what it looks like. Sorry, ignore my nails. But okay, can we just, oh my gosh, it's rose gold glitter. It's rose gold glitter, you guys. Okay, I'm using this. I'm taking this home with me. This is gorgeous, and it's called highlighter. And then the star of the show, ta-da! There is so much glitter in here. I'm so obsessed, you guys. Oh my gosh, there's, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 per row, you guys, and there's 4 rows here. This is so much stuff. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Oh, and it comes in like different styles as well. Like I thought it was just the same type of glitter all throughout, but apparently it's not, because you get different styles as well. So on the first row here, you get more like chunky like traditional like chunky glitter. Here, let me take one out to show you guys. You get like traditional chunky glitter in the first row, and then on the second you get, ooh, this is so fun. So on the second row you get more like sequins, so they're much larger, and these are like hexagonal sequins. So this is really fun. And then you get a bunch of like stars and hearts. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute, you guys. And then finally you get like really fine glitter. I think I'm most excited about the fine glitter actually. It almost feels like, it honestly almost feels like, I don't know, just pixie dust or something. I really like this. So that's what you get in the regular box this month, and that's over $60 worth of goods that you're paying for $25. This is a great deal. And then I'm also really excited for the Lux Box because the items in the Lux Box this month, you guys, are so fun. So the first thing is you get a bronzer. No, I'm just joking. It's a glitter polygel called bronzer, which you guys have probably already seen on our Instagram. It literally looks like bronzer. Like, no joke, but like actually looks like sun-kissed glittery bronzer. So I'm really excited to play with this one on my nails. I like it. So this month's box is so cute. You get a bronzer and you get highlighter. How cute is that? The other thing you also get is these massive tubs of foil. But the best part is, it's not just gold and silver. You get so many different colors, and 2 of them are pink. You guys know how much Makartt we love our pink. So you do get these as well, and there's 6 of them, and oh my gosh, it's huge. I love this. This is really cute. Also, you do also get chrome powder. This is so fun. This is like a mermaidy kind of like hollow powder. So this would look so cute on any color. I'm really excited for myself to try this out. Hopefully soon. A lot of you guys have been telling us how much you guys wanted Makartt to come out with line brushes and like nail art brushes. We were really hesitant about it for a while because we weren't sure like whether or not like people are going to like the brushes that we come out with. And so we wanted to try it in this month. And so everything that you guys are seeing here is going to be available on Makartt.com in the future. Our subscribers to the Your Nail Lab program is basically getting like a preview, but like a lot cheaper technically, so definitely subscribe. And I'm actually really excited for these brushes because first off, they're pink. But secondly is that you get so many brushes. Look at all this stuff. And the Lux Box is $35. Oh my gosh. Look at all these fun brushes, you guys. Ooh, doesn't this look like a highlighter brush? I almost want to use this on my face, but no, it's a nail brush, you guys. You can use it to like dust. You can do it, you know, fun little designs and like brush out your glitters and stuff if you want. Ooh, okay. I know you guys are going to be excited for this because you also get a daughter. Here, let me show you guys. You also do get a daughter, and yes, okay, this one's actually probably the thing that I've been most excited about. I've been looking for a good line brush, and before we came out with these, I basically bought a bunch of my line brush on Amazon. Everything sucked, did not love it, but yes, you guys, this is like an extra long line brush. I'm so excited to use this. There's so much nail art that I can do with this. Really fun. So yeah, that's pretty much everything included in today's unboxing. I am going to be doing a nail tutorial with all of these products, especially, can we just stop and stare at this? Especially with this. I'm so excited. There's like so much stuff that I want to do with this. There's so much stuff in here. So if you guys do like watching these kinds of unboxing and reveal videos, definitely comment and let us know below. And yeah, but by the way, you guys, I'm also, the other thing I did want to talk about actually before we end this video is we have a surprise coming next month. In November, we are going to be announcing a Your Nail Lab collab, and I'm so excited. I can't tell you guys who it is right now, but hopefully in the next coming days, I will be announcing it on our Instagram. So I hope you guys are really excited because the box that she curated, yes, it's a she, the box that she curated, oh, so good. You guys are gonna be so excited for that. I'm really excited for you guys to see it. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and I hope to see you guys all soon. Bye!